How to use adjectives in Mandarin. So in this pets unit, you were introduced to 4 adjectives. 凶 for fierce, 可爱 for cute, 大 for big, and 小 for small. Here's how to use them. First, if you want to ask how is something, if you want to elicit an adjective, ask 怎么样, which means how is it? So if these two girls were talking and she said, 我有狗, she might ask, oh, 它怎么样? And that is the it, 它. We've already learned he and she, the characters for 它, he and she. This is the it, 它. 它怎么样? And she's thinking, like, what type of dog? Is he big? Is he small? Is he cute? And she thinks to herself, he's butt ugly. So she would say, 它很丑. So if you want to find out, you say 它怎么样 to elicit an adjective. And notice she used 很 before the adjective. 很 is the is. It means very. It's used as is. We never say 是 with adjectives. So if I asked you, 这只狗怎么样? How would you answer? What if I asked you, 这匹马怎么样? 这条鱼怎么样? 这只狗怎么样? 这只猫怎么样? Now, to negate sentences with adjectives, how would you say, for example, when we say my cat is cute, we say 我的猫很可爱. How would we say my cat is not cute? If you guessed 我的猫不很可爱, you're very logical and you're wrong. Bleh. To negate adjectives, you just use 不, drop the 很. 我的猫不可爱. So how would you say, my horse is not small? My dog is not fierce. My goldfish is not good. Yeah, boy, he's sick. Look at that. You don't have to always use 很. You can swap 很 out with other adverbs. So you could say a little bit cute, or really fierce, or extremely big, or too small with these words. So I know you're tired right now. How would you rate yourself in terms of your tiredness? Would you be 不累,有一点儿累,很累,真累,非常累, or 太累了? Now notice when you use these alternate adverbs instead of 很, you drop the 很 and you replace it. Just put them in front of the adjective. How good is ice cream? So for your assignment for tonight, what you're going to do, let me pull it up. Is draw a picture or find a picture of a person with many pets, like I found this clip art here. This will give you practice using measure words and adjectives. Then you're going to write how many pets they have, what of each pet they have, and what some of their pets are like using adjectives. And I've included some extra adjectives here in addition to the ones that you've learned. So I said, 这是 Sarah. Sarah 有5个宠物. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Sarah 有一只狗. She has 1 dog. 一只猫. 1 cat. 一只鸟. 1 bird. 一只乌龟. 1 turtle. 和一条金鱼. 1 goldfish. 他的狗和猫很可爱. So there's their adjective. They are cute. 它的金鱼和鸟很大. Her goldfish and bird are big. 它的乌龟很凶. Her turtle is fierce. Poor thing. If you want to say one of the dogs, say you write about a person with 50 dogs, you would say 一只狗, one of the dogs. You can see that in the second example here. Micah has 9 cats. Micah 有9只猫。一只猫叫 一只猫叫 Mimi. One of the cats is named Mimi. You can find her in here. Mimi 有条纹. Mimi has stripes. And so on. 一只猫叫皮皮，皮皮很大声地咕噜咕噜。One of the cats is named Pee-Pee. Pee-Pee purrs loudly. So that's how you would differentiate between each of them if you had multiple of the same animal. And that's your assignment for today.